What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a few things going on, but the primary thing we got is a 08 Caliber SRT4 that we're getting tuned up. But we got John over here working on Tia's Audi. It's the A4. We just did I'll post a link in the description for the video on this car. We just did this new grille with the carbon logo, and we did a 3M carbon roof. And then, as you can see, we've got some S1 coilovers going on this thing. She's about to get some wheels, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these coilovers on this thing, get her drop down a little bit, and have her sitting just right on the new wheels, whatever she decides to pick for this thing. And then here's our participant for today on the dyno tune. We got this 08 Dodge Caliber. Customer just bought it. He bought it under the impression of a stock, but after he looked at it, he found out it had a few modifications done to it already. And then he went ahead and had the got an MPX intercooler installed. This thing's got some FIC 650cc injectors, AGP wastegate, like I said, the intercooler, and K&N intake. So we're gonna go ahead and make a baseline tug in this thing, see where we're starting out at, and then go from there, see if we can make some power.
Little rich. Yeah, I'd say so.
Little rich. Alright guys, as you can see from that, we were not able to make a full pull, and that's because this thing is running stinky rich. Let's see. So yeah, 134 horsepower, 196 foot-pounds of torque. And then if we let's see, go over here to view our cursor, you see it just boom dumps right off into the nines for AFR. So we're gonna get the air fuels adjusted, and hopefully we can make a. Alright guys, so we made a few changes. Sorry for the wind noise, and still got quite a bit of work to do, but big jump, 251 to 290. So air fuel's still quite rich up top, but we're slowly whittling away at it, getting these injectors dialed in and getting the VE tables dialed in. But we're gonna go to lunch, and then when we get back, we'll get back and making some more horsepower. Alright guys, so we made quite a bit of progress with this thing so far, but she's cooled down again. I'm going to set you guys up outside here, and we'll go ahead and make another tug on this thing, see where we end up. And there you have it. Nice clean run. We're starting to make some steam. That run was 281 and 306 foot-pounds of torque, and as you can see, we definitely got the air fuels a lot more tidied up. We're at 1164 right here now, so much cleaner. Starting to make some good power, and you see how clean the graph is in comparison to what it was before. So we'll keep plugging away at this thing and see where we end up. Alright guys, we tried to tighten up the wastegate a couple of times now, and we haven't seen any change in boost. So most likely unfortunately I think we have a boost leak somewhere. So we're gonna pause right there, get a few other things going on. This car is actually on the dyno a day early due to cancellation. So we got a little bit of extra time with this one, fortunately, and we're going to probably yank the front bumper off. We'll leave it on the dyno and do a boost leak check on it and see what we can find. What's up, guys? So forgot to pick up the camera this morning, but we did get the front bumper off the Caliber and checked everything over, and we did find a boost leak. This line right here actually had one of the factory elbows on it, and I threw it away already, but the back side of it was cracked. So when you looked at it from the front, you didn't see anything, but on the back side it was split all the way down. So pretty sure that was our boost leak. We put the tester on and charged the rest of the system, and everything looks good. You know, the only thing I wish this thing, if you look down there, you can still see it's got what we used to call the blue rice plate. You know, the guys with the SRT4s, the Neons know back in the day. You know, if you got yours, you know, back in 03, 04, 05, you know, that was your first mod, was the blue rice plate. But we all know that those don't work very well. And once you start getting out of the boost stock boost ranges, they don't hold up too good. But letting it warm up now, and about to make a rip. Check it out though. Woo. That Audi looking fresh. The nice drop. We just put the S1 coilovers on that Audi, and now the next step, she's gonna be looking for some wheels for it. That thing looking sharp. Just in case y'all didn't see in the other video, like I said, I think at the beginning of this one I'll post the video to this one. But you see we did a carbon roof on it, 3M, and then we did a carbon emblem in the front and changed the front grille out. Man, it's looking good. It's looking good. But got this thing warmed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a rip. Well, definitely corrected that boost leak. Saw about 17 pounds of boost and a nice jump in power, 344 and 397. You can see that boost comes in hard. That's a baby turbo though. They come in hard on the torque at low RPM. It's almost 400 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. But looks good. I'm gonna tidy up the AFR just a little bit and check over the timing, but I think that's where this thing is going to end up. That's about on par with what power it should be making with the mods that it has and the boost levels, so we'll see if it gets any more by cleaning it up, but definitely happy with that. I'm sure the customer will be too, being that he could barely drive it before. So let's get it. I don't know how well you guys can see that graph, but just made a little more stink. But that's where we finished off with this thing, 349 and 409. Everything turned out great. Got the car out here idling. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. But we're gonna go ahead and hop in this Johnny and take her on a little test drive.